Welcome back to Cooking with Sonia. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite homemade bread recipes, lepinje or somun. These soft, fluffy, pita-style buns are traditional Balkan flatbread, perfect for serving with grilled meats like kebabs and pleskavice, soups, some butter and jam, and kaymak. They're easy to make, super versatile, and always a crowd pleaser. So let's get started. Here is what you'll need. You'll need about a kilogram of flour, 2 packets of dry yeast, that's about 14 grams of if you're not using the packaged ones, or 1 cube of fresh yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup or 250 milliliters of lukewarm water, 300 milliliters of lukewarm milk, and 250 grams of plain yogurt or soured milk or buttermilk. Add lukewarm milk, yeast, and sugar into a bowl of a stand mixer. Give it a quick stir and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until yeast is activated and foamy. And as always, the recipe will be posted on my blog, so a full recipe with all the directions and instructions, so make sure you check it out. Link will be in the description box. Next, add in your lukewarm water, yogurt, flour, and salt. And using the dough hook attachment, mix everything together on low, then increase the speed slightly and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until a soft dough forms. The dough will be slightly sticky but still easy to handle. Once the dough is ready, I like to lightly knead it by hand for a minute or so, just to get a feel for the texture and make sure it's soft, slightly sticky, but easy to handle. Cover the bowl and let it rise in a warm spot for about an hour or until it doubled in size. Once the dough has risen, divide it into equal portions and shape each other into a small ball. No need to knead again. If you're like me and love making recipes from your childhood, the kind that have been passed down through generations, or creating new ones inspired by those familiar flavors, then I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Sonia and I live in Canada. I moved here from former Yugoslavia from the region of Vojvodina when I was 16. On this channel, I share a mix of recipes from my childhood and my current favorites, a blend of traditional and modern. I feature dishes from all over the Balkans since my families come from different parts of the region. I truly hope these recipes will be passed down to my own children, and by sharing them here on YouTube, I hope they'll live on for others to enjoy and recreate too. Let these dough balls rest for about 5 minutes. Then flatten each ball into a round pita-style bun. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let them rest again for another 5 or so minutes. While they rest, preheat your oven to 475 Fahrenheit or 245 Celsius. And before baking, you can lightly brush the tops with water and gently score them if you'd like. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until they're puffed up and golden brown on top. It obviously depends on your stove. Let them cool slightly and enjoy your warm homemade lepinje, soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you give these lepinje a try and love them as much as we do. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming Balkan-inspired recipes. I love hearing your stories, seeing your reactions, and keeping these traditions alive together. Until next time, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.